You want to keep your machines going, so the preventive maintenance, the repairs, all that stuff is a factor on everything you do with a landfill.
Greenway Waste Solutions is a landfill company. They deal primarily with construction debris. They have several different locations throughout North Carolina and South Carolina.
At Greenway, we do construction, demolition. We have machines that run constantly, all the time. We own cat compactors, we own cat excavators, we own cat dozers, cat back dumps. Our packers run 10 hours a day, 5 days a week, half a day on Saturday.
As Greenway's product support sales rep, I'm constantly working with the equipment manager here and the owner on a daily basis.
We try and figure out which way I need to go before I have a failure. Because like I tell you, my machines cannot go down.
Being able to offer the multiple repair options has helped further my relationship with Greenway, because now we're not so one-dimensional with our component rebuilds, and I can offer him more support now than I could before. We offer 3 levels. We've got a level 1, which is a minor overhaul. Say we're talking about an engine. A level 2, which would be a major overhaul, or a level 3, which would be a full reconditioning.
Before, everything I had to do was in L3. You didn't have an option before, really, until now.
A lot of customers did not want to go to that extent with their component rebuilds.
Without Josh being able to give me the pricing that he gives me, I wouldn't be able to keep my machines up and running. A lot of my machines, they may have 8,000 hours, some of them might have 20,000 hours. If you only have 8,000 hours, you reseal it, bearing it, and you might pay $12,000 now versus $46,000. I don't think that a machine has to have an L3 every time. And no, from my experience, it doesn't. That's why I'm glad Cat came out with this option. It saves us money, saves us time, gets my equipment back up faster, because a full recon, it's going to be in the shop for quite a while, where a fixed one, you're getting back in a couple of days.
Since we've started the multiple repair options and the framework that we've put in place, it has drastically increased the turnaround time on quotes for customers.
Josh will give me a quote within 24 hours.
I assure you the independents are getting them quotes as quick as they possibly can. So the sooner you can get a number in the customer's hand, the better chance you have of getting that deal.
He works for Cat, but he's, respectively on our side, getting us what we need to have when we need to have it.
My personal goal when I'm working with customers of Caterpillar is to build long-lasting relationships and to keep their equipment up and running.
If I go to one of them guys, they will make something happen. So I have a lot of trust in them.
One of the key factors is customer's relationship and knowing your customer. You've got to know your customer. You've got to know how they think, what drives them, their bottom line, their productivity, what's keeping them up at night. What can you do to lower that bottom line for them, but provide them with an excellent product?